This is my sloth picker 410 Pro, paclock 410 Pro. So let me get it in the vise. Get this ready. This is the key and the bitting. If you look, this thing has 4 0-lip pins, which effectively make it like a 3-pin lock. So to try to get in, I'm going to use a Law Lock Tools tensioner, top of the keyway, 39 thousandths. And if I can stop dropping it. So then I'm going to use this 23 thousandths multi-pick deep hook. Go in. Is that the right one? Yeah, probably. So there's a couple clicks out of 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple clicks out of 5, 6. And 7. And it's open. That is the paclock 410 Pro.